Product advantages and features. Summary JL242JV. Based on the upgrade comparison shown in the image, the JL242JV product has undergone several design enhancements compared to the JL241J, providing the following advantages and features. Improved card structure. Added card markings to prevent spring plate deformation, enhancing the stability and durability of the installation. Enhanced waterproof design. Incorporates a waterproof and breathable membrane to balance the internal and external pressure, reducing the risk of water ingress due to pressure differences and improving the waterproof performance of the product. Pin fixation structure. A fixed structure protects the pins, preventing deformation and maintaining flatness with the let-out end angle. This enhancement reduces the risk of damage during wiring and usage, extending the product's lifespan. Upgraded bottom rubber material. Utilizes more wear-resistant and resilient rubber material, improving the product's impact resistance and extending the lifespan of the bottom components. Other structural optimizations. Additional structural differences are reflected in mold optimization and processing accuracy, enhancing the consistency and overall quality of the product. These improvements not only enhance the overall performance and durability of the JL242JV, but also increase its reliability and stability in harsh outdoor environments.